In a recent video comparison of Midjourney versus DALL-E 3, where I showcased 400 different images, I talked about one of the advantages that DALL-E 3 has over Midjourney 5.2, and that's its integration into ChatGPT. Now, I'd just gotten up to prompt 25 when I transitioned into how to use it within ChatGPT, and that's what this video is about. Before we analyze number 26, I think we should talk about another advantage that DALL-E 3 clearly has over Midjourney, and that's the ability to use it directly from ChatGPT Plus. Now I'm in ChatGPT Plus. I'll hover over the GPT-4 and go to DALL-E 3 beta. Now my prompt is create image of, and we'll just paste in the number 26 example, which is a Midjourney prompt. And one of the things that we should note is that it's got the word dungeon in here. This worked out great in DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, but there may be issues with certain words within ChatGPT. At the moment it's creating the image. We've got one coming through at the moment. Here's the second one in production. Now the third and hopefully the fourth will come through. It's very slow compared to DALL-E 3. And the exact issue that I was worried about, there's a content policy in the words we've used. Taking us back to a simpler pixel art cat, we'll see what that does. These are great, but it shows the differences between DALL-E 3 and DALL-E 3 in ChatGPT is that there is a content policy issue that we've got to deal with. This video is an extract from the 50 DALL-E 3 versus Midjourney 5.2 prompts that I showcased last week. If you want to see the full video, then click on the end card over here on the right, or check out one of my other videos.